Welcome back to the SuperCoops residence. Today I'm concentrating on the headlights on the R33. They're plastic, they're old, they're 20 years old, and they've like gone all foggy and stuff. Everybody says, oh, you got to do toothpaste and all that crap. Oh, I'm lazy. So I've got the guy in the red Yaris. He's gonna take my money, he's gonna put some labour on the car, and he's gonna restore the headlights for me. We've got a visitor. We've got Looney Hoon's car behind me. Thumbs up to you. Let's go and have a chat with these guys. So very quickly, why don't we go and meet Martin? I know that he's quite shy, so anyway.
Hello.
This is Martin. He's going to sort out the headlights, and I'm going to ask him to explain because I don't know what he's done. He's briefly explained what he's going to be doing over the internet and over the messages that we've been sending backwards and forwards. Anyway, Martin, take it away.
So, basically, obviously you can see here we've got like an oxidized finish over the top, which what you normally would see is like a hazy sort of finish on your headlights. Today what we're going to do is we're going to wet flat these back with some wet and dry sandpaper. These aren't too bad, so we'll probably start at a sort of higher grade than I normally would for terrible ones. So
they're not too bad, and I thought they were quite terrible.
I've seen a lot worse.
Have you? Okay.
A lot worse. So we're going to hit these with probably 1200, 2000, and then we'll machine polish them back to better than factory finish.
So how long can I expect that to last, this effect to last?
Well, today what we're going to do is we're going to ceramic coat these, so that's like a 2-year coating.
You reckon what? More than months, maybe
Yeah.
Up to a year if I'm lucky,
Yeah,
maybe even longer.
So, yeah. What I would do personally, if obviously after you're getting them done, treated, is just keep topping them up with a wax or a sealant of some description. But obviously we're going to put this coating on, a similar coating to what I've got on my car.
Right, Martin's going to show us what the effective ceramic coating does. He's actually got some on his bonnet because I'm not clued up with this detailing stuff. So when and as you're ready, Martin, show us your...
So basically what you've got is a super hydrophobic effect. So really when you're pouring water on, it literally all just dribbles away. As you can see.
And for your detailers there, look at all that beading.
And have you got a bucket?
A bucket?
Yeah, just
yes, I've got a bucket. Anything else you need?
No, that's it, I think.
So first headlight's finished, or almost finished. Got one more coat to do. That's the finished result. So much better than what they used to be. That's awesome. I'm going to be able to see at night. Hey, Looney Hoons.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no.
I have to make a confession. Because as I've said in my videos before, I've got a club called Karuma, and I've just noticed that he's got a Karuma sticker on his car.
Here we go. I know where this is going. I know where this is going.
He's got a Karuma sticker on his car. See, one of them Looney Hoon stickers? The confession is I actually don't have one on my car. James gave me a sticker.
I'll give you a sticker.
I've got one. I've got one. It's on the kitchen bench.
Oh really? You what? This
On
guy.
the kitchen bench.
Nah. We're falling out. We're not mates.
Anyway,
Yeah, I'm rocking Karuma.
this is where it's gonna be. That's where it's gonna be.
Yeah, man. I'm done with that.
So it's all happening at the SuperCoop residence today. We've got Martin. What are you doing?
Applying ceramic coating.
Okay, cool. He's been working on this on the old boot lid, but he reckons that he can't get that out. He says he's good. I'm not so sure. But anyway, he's been polishing Looney Hoons' boot lid up. I'll leave you to it. And now Looney Hoons is now cutting his car apart outside my house. So
It's got to be done, man. So all you need is some tin snips and you can fix your drift car. You don't need any of this, it's all good. I'm doing Craig's next, like.
you flipping not. I'm meant to be cracking on with some work myself, but I've been too busy talking shit. I have a bucket of water, warm water obviously because I'm an African. Sandpapers because I'm going to polish up these bitchin' rims. Right, so I'm going to be doing these wheels. Martin's kindly taken over from me. Once again, I'm just standing around just like being spanner boy, but he's doing a cracking job on it.
Is it possible?
So now he wants some autosol, so I'm heading inside to the SuperCoop residence and we're going to go and get some autosol polish. Autosol polish. Something to open the pin. You happy with that?
Yeah.
So obviously we mentioned earlier on that I don't have Looney Hoon sticker on my car. So there is the sticker and we're going to stick it on the car. Well, in fact, I'm going to get Looney Hoons to stick a sticker on my car.
Oh, this guy. Alan,
So
have you prepped the area suitably for such
Prep it?
fine quality?
just wing it,
Just wing it, Alan.
just wing it.
I feel like there should be some blooper section where I can't get this off.
I'm waiting for a tongue to stick out. No?
Right, where are we feeling? Like right there? Like that?
Yeah,
You want that?
just go for it.
Just go for it.
Just do it.
I'm doing it.
He's doing it.
Oh no. Get up. There you go.
Yeah, that's going on pretty. That's pretty
That
cool.
looks pretty tight actually. I like that. Yeah. Sorted. Looking good. Oh, the Superman G, the Project Toad
Next one,
Right, where do you want it?
wherever.
Shout out Project Toad. Make sure if you're not following them, of course you will be, but go and check them out. Good guys.
Yes, Project Toad.
High quality merchandise.
Huge.
Just
Toad.
saying, I've had this ripped across the floor and the design's totally fine. Project Toge! Right, I'm voting. I think there looks pretty good, like nice colourful section over here.
Yes, go for it.
Go for it.
I'm good at this. I get everybody else to work on my car and I just stand here watching.
Yeah, it's fine, man. Get your peasants to do things. You know the crack.
I've got him putting stickers on, I've got him polishing wheels. This is cool.
Fine, man.
I could get used to
That's how
this.
it's got to be. You've got to just get people to do stuff for you. It's funny. Tuck that right up in there.
Tension.
That'll look rad. Oh mate, I'm sticker pro, man. You don't get a back window like mine not being sticker pro. Then there'll be everyone going, you didn't use a heat gun, you didn't clean the area.
You got a Superman and you don't drift.
You don't drift in the Superman. It's alright, I've got a turbo sticker with no turbo, so.
Oh cool, I feel better
Yeah.
now.
But these stickers are like really good quality. Like I've never had an issue with any of Project Toad's stickers. And usually you will buy stickers and they'll kind of, like you'll do the transfer like this and they'll lift or they won't apply well. But like no joke, Project Toad stickers are actually like hype. Like they're really good quality. Look at that. No prep, straight on, perfect.
That is
looks
mint.
absolutely awesome.
That actually looks pretty cool.
Yeah, I like this little colourful section.
Good
job.
Little update on the wheels. I'll show you before on the other front wheel. That's my handiwork. Martin's taken over the polishing of the wheels, and this is one wheel that he's almost finished, and he's got a shine back to it. Thinks he's getting paid, but he's not.
Let's do this thing. Get the windows down, get the sound effects in, eh? If I'm gonna be here, I may as well enjoy the sounds.
Exactly, man. I might go put some fuel in actually.
Is it a so-do-do or a?
Depends on how hard I'm boosting.
Fair enough.
Right, we've done our cleaning and now just established that Louis Hoons has never been in this car before, so I'm going to take him out for a quick spin, see what he thinks of a turbo.
Oh, here come the NA jokes. Everyone knows I love a good turbo. Doesn't half echo up the street, like it's nice that. I feel like I need the Vin Diesel shades, let the top down, smoke 'em. It's such a good sound. The boost feels like it kicks in, like when's it kick in? Like 3.5, 4?
About 4, yeah.
Yeah. I was gonna say, like, I prefer that. Like, I like linear boost. Like, I like when you come on really low down, it's like a constant pull.
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna lie, the feeling of like that's like
Even driving the fucking thing,
it gives you a lot more smiles, doesn't it?
I've got to brace myself.
Yeah.
Because when I know the boost is coming, I'm going to.
That's what you want, man. Like, it's like having a wife that's a bit psycho. Like, you want it to sort of wake up and be like, I love you, but Yeah, mate, mine are. I apologise to all the viewers of Mr. SuperCoops for having to watch me little wrinkled up face.
It's nice to do a little bit of a reaction video.
I love it, man. I love stuff like that. It's a laugh. I had no idea it was that quick, though.
So that's quicker than you were expecting.
Oh, 100%. And that's not like, for the record, like, I was joking on with Craig before we got in the car. He was like, I'll take you out, we'll do a reaction. I was like, I've been in turboed cars, I've been in some quick cars.
I'll hype it up a little bit.
Yeah, I was like, you know, I'll pretend like blah blah blah, and like it's not even for the YouTube. Like that is quicker than I was expecting, like by a canny bit. Like no joke, like I wasn't expecting that. That was sick.
Cool.
That was actually.
I'm glad I put a smile on your face.
Mate, it's not going away. Like I want it to leave.
Right now you can switch off.
Yeah.
Car's magic. With no keys, and the car will switch off when I say when.
Turbo timer.